Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. And today is actually December 24th. And if you still don't know which gift to buy, this video is for you. So yes, if you still don't have any ideas which gift to buy, you still have a chance. After you watch this video, you can go to any Digital Walker stores or branches across the Philippines. So Digital Walker sent this to us. So basically, it's your gift ideas. Yun nga, if you still don't know which gift to buy. This is courtesy of Digital Walker, and all of these items galing kay Momax. So Momax is a brand known for power banks and all. So you can check if ano ba dito ang pwede mong ipangregalo. Okay, so first item on the list. So this is the Momax One Vibe Go. So it is a speaker na MagSafe. And it's a Bluetooth speaker, no? Wireless speaker. Put it at the back of your iPhone. And at the same time, magiging stand na rin siya. So here, as you can see, this is good idea for those people who loves music. So this is perfect. I guess, yeah, it's dalawa sila. So one in black and one in gold. Perfect partner for the iPhones na gold or black. So, of course, Momax is a well-known brand for power bank. So, here is the Momax One Power X Pro. So, this is 5,000 milliamperes of battery. And this is MagSafe. Another good thing about this is it can also be used as your stand. And for example, may kasama kang hindi iPhone, meron siyang included or retractable na USB Type-C. This is also power delivery, 20 watt fast charging. So really perfect for on the go. So this is in color green. I believe there are different colors of this one. So yung nakawa natin is green. Next is, so this one naman is a case cord crossbody strap. So this one is in color gold or sandstone. So parang gold siya. And yeah, there's another one also na color black. So this is perfect for people who strap their phones. Next one is parehas din sila. This is a magnetic ring stand. So yeah, this is a phone stand and a ring holder. And this comes in gold also and black. Last gift idea, these are the One Charge Plus. So this is a charger equipped with USB Type-C, and it's also power delivery. So it's capable of fast charging while using your gadget. So this is a 35 watts. So this one comes in different colorways. So this one is in orange, black, and green. So pwedeng ibigay nyo to sa friends nyo with school spirit. Like for this one, the green one, you can give it to your LaSalle friends. The orange and white one, you can give it to your UST friends. Mga black, of course, is very safe color to give to everyone. So this is only one part, and also it comes with a retractable USB-C there. Ang galing ng retractable. Okay, so that's it for this video. This is just a short and quick video just to help you, just in case you still don't have gifts. So hopefully this video help you, provide you an idea on which item you can buy as a gift. Okay, so you still have time before Christmas, Noche Buena. You can go to any Digital Walker branch and look for Momax items na that I've showed you earlier. Okay, so advance Merry Christmas to all of you, and see you on the next video.